Yeah, I like the cellophane on the outside for the mere fact that it's easy to clean when, not if, when little boogers happen and
They always
a little bit. Of course they do.
They always do.
Of course, you've got a
Okay,
little
see
bit
how
of icing.
tight that
whatever.
is?
Awesome.
Nice and tight?
Yep.
Right? Okay. Other side. Woohoo. All right. A lot of the trick of this is just keeping things from moving, so holding things down carefully,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
It's basically being really anal retentive about wrapping a cake. I mean,
Yeah.
wrapping a present. Because normally you're like,
Right.
because I am. I'm like, wrap it up, quick. You should have seen the wrapping job my son did on his own. He's 11. He brings it to me for the last weekend. I went, it's a fantastic job, buddy.
Nice.
It was like duct taped and all kinds of, written on everywhere. I'm like,
Very cool.
you're a boy. Rock on.
He's 11. Awesome.
He was so proud of himself. It was so cute. I did it myself.
But this really looks like just practice. Just do it a bunch of times.
It is just practice.
And practice, and then you'll get this down.
And you get really comfortable with it.
Look at that.
Okay?
I know what's next. You guys know what's next?
The back. Now,
What do we put on the back?
when I have to cut down like full sheet boards or something like that, I keep these pieces of cardboard
Oh.
because then, okay, so I just kind of notched it right there.
Yep.
My mark, right?
Yep.
And let's see.
There you go.
Done. Now this one, I'm gonna need to go 2 ways. Okay. If you want to get super anal about it and draw lines, knock yourself out.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
No, it's the underneath, folks.
Yeah.
The underneath.
Underneath that.
And really, if you do it like I'm doing along the line of a countertop, get it fairly straight anyway.
Okay.
Okay.
And I noticed all of your cuts were on the downside. You cut on the way down, not on the way up.
Right. Yes. Down, down, down. Thank you for pointing that out.
Yep.
All right. So
Friendly hot glue gun. And you're using the eyeball theorem here?
totally. I will admit I have been blessed with the skill of having a really good eyeball
Okay.
for space. That's I do consider that like a God-given skill.
There you go.
And I'm very grateful for it.
When in doubt, get out the ruler.
Yes. So if you like rulers,
Yeah, go for it.
go for it.
Pretty.
But for being the underneath of the cake, that's not so bad.
Yeah, but I'm just thrilled at this whole idea of making it easier to handle. It's like, okay, grab it. There it is.
You can grab it right.
There it is.
Especially these thicker boards, they're really nice because then you really get your fingers underneath. And when the cake's sitting there, you don't go,
Right.
I mean, you
It's-
don't,
it's
and because it's
floating.
inset
Yeah.
enough, you never see it.
No.
You never see it. So
Beautiful.
cool dude cake board, right?
Yep.
All right,